before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure plus 0.19. Contrast minus 8. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 78. Whites plus 12. Blacks plus 26. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Temp plus 10. Tint minus 15. Vibrance plus 36. Saturation minus 37. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 41. Saturation 17. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to next grading. Midtones no work. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 225. Saturation 9. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue minus 46. Saturation plus 100. Go to orange color. Hue minus 14. Saturation plus 54. Luminance -34. Go to yellow color. Hue -18. Saturation +39. Luminance -15. Go to green color. Hue +23. Saturation -30. Luminance +50. Go to aqua color. Hue -35. Saturation +19. Luminance -45. Go to blue color. Hue -37. Luminance -36. Go to purple color. Luminance -20. Go to magenta color. Luminance -30. And done. Go to effects. Clarity +12. Slide down. Grain 17. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 17. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Slide down. Select vintage 10. Vintage 10 by 50. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.